So, hi guys.
Hey, a magic skill just came on. So I'm shaking right now. I don't know why, because it said so. So this thing said there was gonna be thunderstorm. Said there might be a tornado or thunder, heavy rain or hailing. It said we have to take cover, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because it's kind of it's kind of good. So I'm watching Doc sleeping. I don't know why I watch that, but I just keep watching it. I'm gonna see when was it made. March 16th. So, how much hours is it for this video? Okay. So an emergency alert just came on. Whoa, that was scary. But why am I shaking so much? Like, look. I know you guys can't see shaking. Oh, look, see me, I'm shaking. Oh my god, that was scary. It was so scary. But never, it just came on this. The legs are shaking so much. Well, I think my grandma's coming home right now, so yeah. Well, so scary. So I think the storm is happening over there. So guys, I didn't move, but I'm just at my grandma's house. Wait, anything in here? Dang it, we ran out that smoothie stuff. Ooh, Bud Light, let me chug some. Just kidding. Oh. Oh. the... Look guys, look it out there.
Shit scared me. What are you looking out for?
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so sorry everyone. Look here, I'm watching dogs sleep. Oh my god. I'm shaking right now. That's scary. Look at the radio. Wait. Wait, it's 5:02. Wait, it's 5:02. Why is it 4:58? That's weird. Wow. Wait, 5:02? Okay, guys. This is where I record. This is the place where I record the dogs in my grandma's house. Where I record them. I record some. I don't really record here. I don't know why. Well, look at. This is what part 2 and part 3 and part 4 and other parts were filmed, but the part 1 was filmed all over there.
Time Friday. Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern and south-central Alberta. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: the municipal district of Ranchland, Longview, Cayley, Nanton, Stately and Claresholm. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to baseball-size hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.
You can listen for bears and their signs. Keep your pet on a leash. Carry bear spray.
You guys heard that? That was scary. Oh my god, I just heard it like all the way from me. I just heard it all the way from me. Oh my god, that was scary. Okay, bye guys. See you. See you in another video. Bye.